Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to show you something very special. I am in the marquee gated community in El Centenario, and we're about to visit a house which may be among the nicest homes available in the whole La Paz area. In fact, it is very definitely the nicest house in this part of Centenario, and this neighborhood, Villas del Centenario, is destined to become the gated neighborhood in this whole area. I'm talking about underground services, paved roads. I'm talking about pickleball courts. I'm talking about every home having a view of La Paz Bay and the Sea of Cortez. It is extraordinary. I can't wait to show you. I just want to say one more thing. This exact property is in the nicest spot in all of this neighborhood. As you see the beautiful footage of this home, it's important to note that this comes fully furnished. There are a couple personal items and artwork that the sellers are taking with them, but all of this beautiful new furniture comes with this house. Now, the living area is obviously beautiful. They did an amazing job. In fact, one of the sellers is an interior designer, so you get the benefit not only of getting the nicest house in the neighborhood, but fully furnished as well, and designed by someone who's an expert. This is easy living at its finest. If you want the nicest house in El Centenario, then this is the one for you. Three bedrooms in this beautiful home, but really the cherry on top, the crowning achievement of the bedrooms in this home is this exquisite master. Beautiful ensuite bathroom, sliding doors with access to the patio and the swimming pool and spa, and a gorgeous walk-through closet as well. This is living. And if you can't imagine yourself loving it here, well, give me a call. I'll show it to you in person, and I guarantee you'll fall in love with it then. I certainly hope you've enjoyed this tour of this gorgeous home. Reach out at any time. I'd love to show it to you. Imagine living not only in one of the most beautiful places on earth, but in one of the most beautiful homes on earth. How many clicks?
Two.
Two. Put your chin in there, click twice.
In front?
Yeah.